Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to edit past activities on the application of Strava. You will go to Strava app as you see and you will click in this page, you will click in this sign and you will enter. You will click here in this sign of view. On above you will click in this sign of settings. Here in this page you will click in this window of privacy controls and you will enter. Then here in this page you will go to this window of edit past activities, and then here we click in this sign of get started, and here you can choose if you want, or you can select if you want activity visibility or heart rate visibility, and then you can click on next. Here you can choose also here update all or anything of update here from everyone or followers or only you, and when you will change this you can click next. So that's all. Don't forget support